So now that we have the content or the copy ready, we move on with creating the funnel, starting with the first step of the funnel, that is the landing page where we will be offering our ebook. Now for that, I create a new funnel in my GoHighLevel. So I go to sites, just to show you once again. I go to sites, I create a new funnel, I create from templates and continue. Instead of starting from scratch and taking a lot of time, let's do this. Now, say I want to use something that looks modern and is close to what I want, free. Yeah, so these are some of the funnels landing pages design. So I like this one. This looks modern to me and close to what I want, I believe. So this has the logo, the image, the content, the testimonials and the FAQs. So close to what my copy is suggests. So this is what. Okay. Adding template. Here it is. The template is getting added into the editor. So I go back, look at the copy that I had. Okay, that's the copy with the headline, the subheadline, the benefits, the CTA buttons, then some more text, then we have some testimonials, and then maybe a FAQ section. Here it is. I can have my logo, and then I can choose to have these sections if I want. If not, I can remove this. Then I have the heading and the subheading sections. So from here I take the heading, unlock the secrets to hiring, or maybe I say unlock the secrets, or we can even make it further shorter, secrets to hiring great talent quickly. Then we have the subheadline. Okay, so that's this. My CTA could be this. I come to my button, I change the text, get my free guide is the subheading of my CTA, and here it is. Now instead of this block of thing, what I can do is a book cover. Where do I get it from? Book cover image, do I get it from Pixels? I'm not sure if I would get the best one. How do I want it? Okay, I want it something like this. So no, I don't think I would get the best option right here. So what I do is I go to Canva, I look for book cover. Okay, let's say any one of these, doesn't really matter. I want to customize this template. No, let's say I use something that matches the color that we have right here. Okay. Let's use this one. Okay, now to create a effect like this, I will need to use a mockup. So what I do is I download this as a JPG, I download it, I add a page, I quickly go to apps, I look for mockup, I click on mockups, smartphones, no, I look for books. So do I have something for books? Let's look for the popular ones. Do I have something for books? No. Okay, computers, frames, will this work? Not really happy. I will come back to elements, book, mockups. Let's see if I get something like up to the mark, but okay, for now let's use this. And I download the image that I had here. So this is, let's say, my book cover. I download this with a transparent background, the page number 2 with a transparent background, and I download it. I come back here, I change this image. Okay, that's my book here. I can surely reduce the size to maybe, that's too small, maybe 500. Sorry, that's too big. So 800. Yeah, this is also big. Yeah, this is okay. So that's my book cover. Here we are. The next is the benefits section. So this could be the benefits section for me. So starting from this to putting the subheading here. Okay, let's quickly do this. Sorry, Control B. Okay, reduce turnover. The text. Now to keep everything the same height, we break this into 2 lines. We have all in 2 lines. We have this in K. Now are you struggling with this? You can put up this text here. Are you struggling? So I can obviously optimize the text further, ask ChatGPT to create more CTAs or create more of, this could be the next CTA I have here. Instead of watch free training, I change it to this new text, and the subheading could be this. Then again, I can have a different book image here, but yeah, that's the idea. I have the features here. Watch our free training could again be why trust us. Let's say why trust us, and I can put up the content here. Proven tips and practical advice. So these are the 3. I add bullet points here. How do I add bullet points? Content font, link color. Okay, let's keep it like this. Okay, so why trust us? We have 3 different reasons. I can delete this, or if you want to add something, you can surely be adding it. You can update the CTA again. You can add a trust, something that makes your, if you have a book image, you can add your book image. If you don't, then maybe let's look out for something. If we have something in our library, we can add it. So instead of the video, you can change it. This is the video element, this is the video element. So by adding this, you can have a YouTube URL, a Vimeo custom embed, HTML5 and so on. Or you can change it to an image, change the element, make it image, and add an image if you have any in the back in your library. Upload from media library. Let's see if we find something. Let's say we use this one. Could be the color is not right, but yeah. Now here I can have some more content who I can be help. Now we have some testimonials. So we can add some more content. We can keep asking ChatGPT to create some more content. If we do not want this content, we can surely go and delete the entire section. Let's say I don't need this content, or and I do not need this content as well. So limited time offer, hurry up can be there. Then we have the testimonials. We can add some FAQs if you want to. Your logo comes here. You connect your social media links here, and your landing page is ready to be published. From here, you can choose to delete these. Cool. So I won't say this is an easy thing to do. You'll have to go through multiple iterations and multiple steps. But yeah, okay, we forgot adding a form here. Now what we do is we create a full width section. Since this did not already have a form, so I create a, okay, this will be a 2. Okay, let's create a form for a form element. I select a form, so let's say we request access to this free form. This has a lot of fields. I might not need so many fields in the form. Just the name and the email address and maybe a phone number is sufficient. I don't need the city, state and country. And I save and publish it. Once you publish it, in the next video we'll see how to create your email automations.